नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन ट्यूसडे ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस विटनेस्ड बुलिश मोमेंटम ड्रिवन बाय ऑप्टिमिज्म अराउंड द यूएस चाइना ट्रेड टॉक्स. The Nasdaq surged 0.66%, the S&P 500 gained 0.55%, and the Dow ended higher by 0.25%. Technically, the major trend of S&P 500 is bullish as it is quoting above its crucial moving averages. Talking about Brent crude marked the high of $67.63 on Tuesday and thereafter witnessed a minor correction. Going ahead, the 100-day EMA zone of 68 to $68.3 is likely to act as a key resistance. On the downside, the zone of 65.6 to $65.4 is expected to provide immediate support. Talking about US dollar index, the US dollar index has been trading within a narrow range of over past few sessions. However, its position below the key moving averages signals a bearish undertone. Going ahead, the zone of 99.7 to 100 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 98 to 97.8 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, for the second straight session, the benchmark index Nifty paused its momentum and ended on a flat note. On the daily chart, it formed a small bodied candle indicating indecision and a lack of strong conviction from both the bulls and bears. आगे जाके 25,170 to 25,200 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा. अगर इंडेक्स 25,200 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो एक रैली देखने को मिल सकता है जो पहले 25,350 तक जा सकता है और उसके बाद शॉर्ट टर्म में 25,500 तक भी पहुंच सकता है. वही नीचे की तरफ 25,000 टू 24,970 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा. On the derivative front, the June futures dipped by 0.08% while the combined open interest for the current next and far series also dipped by 1.76%. The 25,200 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 25,300 strike. On the put side, 25,000 has substantial open interest followed by 24,900 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.87. Talking about Bank Nifty declined by 0.37% on Tuesday and formed a small bearish candle on the daily chart, suggesting a temporary pause in upward momentum. आगे जाके 56,300 to 56,200 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट के रूप में काम करेगा, जबकि ऊपर की तरफ 56,900 to 57,000 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल बन सकता है. Talking about Sensex view, on the weekly expiry day, the benchmark index Sensex formed a rare upside gap 2 cross candlestick pattern on the daily chart, which indicates pause in the bullish momentum. आगे जाके 82,100 to 82,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा. वही ऊपर की तरफ 82,700 to 82,800 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल यानी रेजिस्टेंस होगा. On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.03% and the open interest of the current series has also dipped by 18.75%. The 82,500 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 83,000 strike. On the put side, 82,000 has a substantial open interest followed by an 81,500 strike. The OIPCR is at 0.72. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility gauge India VIX tumbled by 4.61% on Tuesday and currently it is trading below its crucial moving averages. Further, the daily RSI is quoting below 40 mark and it is in the falling mode. This shows the overall market volatility has decreased significantly. The advance decline ratio tilted in the favor of advancers. Talking about the key sectors, on Tuesday, Nifty IT index gave a falling channel breakout on a daily scale. Further, it has surged above its 100-day EMA level. The daily RSI is in a bullish territory and it is in the rising mode. Hence, we believe it is likely to outperform in the short term. Apart from this, Nifty private banks, financial services, realty, PSU banks, oil and gas, pharma, healthcare, CPSC and PSC space are likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data in the cash segment, both the FIs and DIs were net buyers yesterday to the tune of 2,302 crores and 1,113 crores respectively. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 19.97 as on a net basis they bought 2,848 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.